Welcome to another video of Ancient Greece Reloaded. Let me ask you a question. Do you know to which ancient god you should pray if you desire wealth, abundance and resources? The answer to that question would be Ploutos. Ploutos should not be confused with either Pluto, that guy, or Pluto, the Roman god of the underworld. That being said, Ploutos is considered the god of wealth. Alright, let us take a step back and take a closer look at Ploutos' story. By the way, if you like the video, please do not forget to support the project of Ancient Greece Reloaded by clicking the like button, the subscribe button, and if you are cool with it, join our community here on YouTube. Now, in regards to how his parents brought him to this world, there are mainly two versions about it. But before going into Ploutos' story, though, let us check out his family tree first. Although most accounts agree on the fact that Ploutos' parents were the goddess Demeter and a semi-god called Iasion, on some other accounts Ploutos was the son of Hades and Persephone. In regards to goddess Demeter, there is not much to say. Demeter does not need an introduction, apart from pointing out the fact that she was one of the top gods in Mount Olympus. Concerning Ploutos' father Iasion, and depending on the accounts, he was pretty much either a god or a semi-god. In the first case, Iasion was the son of the nymph Electra and Zeus, making him a god. On the second case, he was the son of a ton of possible parents, in which Iasion mostly ends up as a semi-god. Moreover, Iasion founded the famous mystic rites on the island of Samothrace, or Samothraki in Greek. Finally, Ploutos was also brother to Philomelus, the god of husbandry and agriculture. You guys might know him better as the constellation of Votes. Okay, the boring stuff is out of the way and we can finally proceed with Ploutos' actual story. As we said at the beginning, there are basically two versions that tell us how Ploutos came into existence. Version 1. It all started in the wedding celebration of Cadmus and Harmonia. For the records, Cadmus was an ancient Greek hero and also the founder and the first king of Thebes. Harmonia was the goddess of harmony and concord. In any event, when Iasion arrived at the wedding celebration, Demeter was literally drooling all over him. It didn't take them long to vanish in some nearby fields and to hit it on a one-night stand. When the deed was done, they returned back as if nothing had happened. However, there was a small problem. Both of their clothes were dirty and the love marks were all over them. Seeing them like this, virtually everybody got pissed at the couple. Remember guys, it was not a simple wedding celebration but a special occasion. Special because not only the gods of Olympus attended the wedding, but also a goddess herself was getting married. And for Iasion and Demeter to act like that, it was equivalent to disrespect. But the guy that got angered the most was Zeus. And as you can guess, with the pretext that Zeus did not want goddesses, especially of Demeter's caliber, to have anything to do with some random guys, he shot a lightning bolt at Iasion's head and it sent him to Kingdom Come. Nevertheless, Demeter was already pregnant with Ploutos. We will add that Zeus might have been a little jealous. Maybe. Why? You see guys, the first boyfriend of goddess Demeter was Zeus, and together they had a child, Persephone. The second boyfriend was Poseidon, and together they had also a child, goddess Despina. Hence, Iasion was the third in line. Moving on, version 2. This version is based mostly on Hesiod's theogony. In this case, as a beautiful young man was hunting in Crete, he eventually crossed paths with goddess Demeter. Well, it did not take them long to go to a nearby field and to do their thing. At the end of the deed, Zeus' lightning bolt hit Iasion and gone was the man. Fun fact though, in both versions it is pointed out that the field on which Iasion and Demeter slept was plowed 3 times, which implies that the child that would be born would be related with wealth and abundance. Now, Ploutos was usually described as being in the company of his mother Demeter, but in sculptures he is more often shown as an infant in the arms of either Irene, the goddess of peace, or Tyche, the goddess of fortune, luck and success. If you think about it, in order to make money you need peace in its various forms and good luck as well, so it is understandable that he would be related to these goddesses. What is more, Ploutos is usually depicted as a young boy holding a cornucopia that is also known as the Horn of Plenty or Amalthea's Horn. This famous horn was a large horn-shaped container filled with agricultural riches like flowers and nuts and is therefore a symbol of abundance and nourishment. In the famous Eleusinian mysteries, Ploutos is portrayed as a divine child, which is logical since the main theme of the mysteries were Demeter and Persephone. If this stuff appears Greek to you, you can check the video description below with all source material and the links to further explore what we are discussing in this video. That being said, Ploutos ended up being portrayed by many writers, especially in the area of comedy, like Aristophanes as a blind man that was blinded by Zeus, for the reason of indifferently spreading the wealth left and right without any discrimination. Our guess is that the comedy writers of that time must have been broke and just took it out on Ploutos. Let us know in the comment section below what you guys think about God Ploutos. Do you like him or not? Why? And with that comment, we reached the end of our video. We hope that you did like the video, and if so, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you wish to support the project of Ancient Greece Reloaded, click on the subscribe button and the join button to enter our community. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.